Soak up the sun and get ready for an eclectic experience as the Ocean Beach Main Street Association welcomes you to the Ocean Beach Street Fair and Chili Cook-Off Festival. Breathe the spicy aroma and satisfy your taste buds with chili from more than 20 amateur chefs. Discover unique and handcrafted artwork as you wander through Artist's Alley. Cool off with a refreshing beverage in the beachside beer garden while enjoying endless entertainment, including the popular burger eating competition. Let your creative juices flow as you paint a square on the community mural project, which will be displayed in Ocean Beach for years to come. Your kids will have the time of their lives with games and carnival rides at the Children's Wonderland area. Sit back, relax, and listen to your favorite tunes from one of 5 stages of continuous music. Stay and play all day at the annual Ocean Beach Street Fair and Chili Cook-Off, a free festival for all. To learn more about how you can join in on this one-of-a-kind celebration, visit oceanbeachsandiego.com.